Hi guys, so I'm sitting in my car listening to an audiobook and I wanted to share some inspiration that I just heard. It really inspired me and I had this burning sensation in my belly that I wanted to share with you. I didn't really care for the story at first because I'm an animal lover and it sounded a little cruel, but it's the moral of the story that counts. So there's 5 monkeys in a room and there's a pole in the middle of that room. And at the top of that pole is a bunch of bananas. And each monkey would try to climb that pole to get the bananas. And as soon as they would just reach the bananas, they would get drenched with cold water and fall down. Well, then each monkey, one monkey at a time, was replaced with a new monkey that didn't know, what was happening. So that monkey would obviously come in and try to climb the pole. And the other monkeys would pull him down and not let him even attempt. So then another monkey would come in and the same thing would happen. They would start pulling him down and they wouldn't let him even attempt to go and get those bananas because they knew that he would get drenched, but he didn't know why. So then it got to all 5 monkeys were all brand new and they just would keep pulling each other down from the pole. And they didn't even try to go up the pole, actually. And they didn't even know why they didn't try, but they didn't. And it really hit me because I don't want that to happen to you. It happened to me. I remember, there's people out there that will stop you from doing what you want to do and you don't even know why you're not trying. You won't even climb that pole because somebody else is telling you no. They're telling you can't do it. They're telling you that it's not possible. And you don't even know why it's not possible. You don't know that you're going to get drenched with that water or what's going to happen, but you just don't try because they say, no, it's not possible, or it's too expensive, or it's not real, or whatever it is that they're telling you, or you're just not capable of it, or, there's no time. You don't have time, anything. People told me that, in my lifetime, and I let those people, my friends, my family, I've done it to people. Where I'm like, no, you can't do that. It's too much, and it's really shocking that I've gone through that. I've been on both sides of it. And now that I've heard this story, I just really wanted to share it with you guys because I want you to be inspired to try, to just go up there. And if you get drenched with water, get up and try again. And if you get drenched with water again, do it again because eventually you're going to get those bananas. And I'm telling you, when you do, you're going to inspire so many more people to go up there, follow you up that pole, and get those bananas. And everybody can be happy. Everybody can reach their dreams. You just have to try. If something is stopping you and you don't know what it is, keep going. Because if you keep going, you'll find out where the breaking point is and where you can go beyond that and maybe you'll reach your goal. You probably will reach your goal. And then you're going to inspire other people to reach their goals, no matter what goal it is. This is fitness, the nutrition, life goals, financial goals, whatever. But if you just try and you keep going and you don't let people pull you down before you even try, or you don't even, you have to try. You have to get out there and you have to do it. So my question to you is, what's your bananas? What's up there that's hanging at the top of that pole that people keep pulling you down from? What is it? And if you know why that you're not trying, then that's great. Get past that. If you don't know why, then just keep trying. Climb the pole. Get the bananas. You're going to inspire other people to do the same thing.